Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In today's lesson we're going to continue our course on advanced charting applications with a look at how to set price alerts in the Prorealtime charting package so you can be alerted when the market touches certain price levels or support and resistance lines you've set on your charts. So let's get started.
Okay, so if you haven't done so already, you're going to want to go ahead and pause this video and click the link above the video where you can register for free access to the entire Prorealtime package with end-of-day data for as long as you would like, so you can follow along with these lessons here as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and maximize this chart, and this is actually a good time to be looking at alerts because I'm actually watching a pattern develop on a couple of charts, one of which is the euro dollar, and I'm looking for a breakdown out of the bottom of a triangle pattern. So the first way that you can set an alert on a chart so I can be alerted when that happens if I go to sleep or step away from the computer or whatever it may be is to left click on this little bell up here and then simply select the area on the chart where you would like to be alerted if the market touches or trades below, or a number of factors which we can define in the window that comes up when we do that. Okay, so you just left click on the chart there, and then you can see that you can choose to have the alert display on the workstation only, so it gives a sound and a pop-up there, or you can have it send it to your cell phone by SMS. So since I'm going to be in the room or in the apartment while I'm waiting for this to happen, I'm just going to leave it as alert on the workstation only. Okay, and then you can see the price there fluctuates up and down with the market. It's currently at 125.19, and I want to be alerted if the market trades below, so I'm going to say less than. Instead, less than or equal to would be if it touches or trades below, and then the value of 124.56. Or let's say that I was a couple pips off there. And when I clicked on the chart, I can change it there to 124.50 or whatever I want it. I can change it for the current period or a previous period in real time, or the current bar close. So if I wanted to wait for the candle to close before it gives the alert, close below that level, then I could set that there. I'm going to leave that real time. And then there's some different sounds that the chart has for defaults, depending on what you want to do when that happens. So that's going to be enter short there to get that sound to come up. And then I can save that for later activation or activate it now. And I'm going to activate it now by clicking create an alert. Okay. And you can see that shows up there on the chart at 124.50. And if the market trades at any time while I have this alert saved on there, below 124.50, then I'm going to get an alert. So it'll wake me up tonight after I go to sleep if that happens. Okay. So another way that you can do it, a lot of times you'll have your support and resistance lines drawn on the chart already. So let's say that I had this here. Okay. Bottom of the triangle there. And then say the top of the triangle here. Okay, and let's say that I wanted to get an alert after I go to sleep tonight if the market trades above the top line or below the bottom line. So if I want to do that, I just, again, left click on the little bell there, the alert bell, and then you notice when I run my mouse across the line that I have drawn at the top of the triangle here, it highlights it, so I click there. And then you can see the same window comes up, but this time it says selected line. Okay, so, and I'm again here, it's going to be greater than or equal to, okay, this time. And then everything else is going to be the same. I hit create alert, and you can see the little alert goes there. So I'll be alerted if the market touches or trades above the top line. And then same thing for the bottom line. Left click on it. And again, here it even defaults nicely to less than or equal to this time. And I'm going to hit create alert there, and you see I'll be alerted if the market touches or trades below the bottom line here. Okay. A lot of times if you have a bunch of different alerts on the chart, you may want to see them in one window. To do that, just simply go to display in the Prorealtime window and alerts status. or you can just hit Control A if you'd rather, and you can see the 2 alerts that I've put in there, and I can simply left click on them, and it brings up the modification window. I can delete it if I want, or do whatever I need to from there. Okay, so that's our lesson for today. As always, if there's any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and good luck with your trading.